Today, let us learn something different called reflection and rotational symmetry in familiar 2D shapes. Let's start. Look at the Star of David. Now, let's fold his figure in half. You will notice that both the halves match each other exactly. If you can fold a figure in half so that the two halves exactly match, the figure is said to be symmetrical. This kind of symmetry is called reflection symmetry. The fold line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Here, line AG is one such line of symmetry. The others are line BH, line CI, line DJ, line EK and line FL. Thus, we say that Star of David has 6 lines of symmetry. Now, let's draw the lines of symmetry for the given figures. Figure 1. A rectangle. Here, we can divide the figure into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus, we say a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Figure 2. An apple. Here, we cannot divide an apple into 2 equal halves. Thus, an apple has no line of symmetry. Figure 3. Letter A. We can divide the letter into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically. Thus, we say letter A has one line of symmetry. Coming to the last figure. Number 0. Here, we can divide the number 0 into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus, we say that number 0 has 2 lines of symmetry. Now, look at this starfish. It has 5 lines of symmetry. These lines meet at point P. This starfish can be rotated about a fixed point P. This fixed point about which the starfish rotates is called its center of rotation. Now look at the point A. When a starfish is turned to the right through point A to another point, it still looks same. This type of turning or rotation of a figure is called rotational symmetry. Now, let's look at another shape, hexagon. When it is turned upside down, point A goes down and point B comes up. But hexagon looks the same. This type of turning or rotation of a figure is also called rotational symmetry. Did you know? In nature, many flowers show rotational symmetry. Kids, look at these figures. They show rotational as well as reflection symmetry. Kids, now it's time for you to practice symmetry on your own.